Welcome to another tool. Today we're going to talk about ClipDrop. ClipDrop, it has amazing tools within the tool. You can see here that one already 8 product hunter boards. The free version is pretty nice. It has included many features, including the background removal that I show you, and it's pretty good. But if you want more options and more quality, there is the Pro version by €7 per month. The last feature that they created, it was the stable diffusion. That is this one. So this is the image that this was the image that I put. That is actually created from AI, from Playground AI, and these are the images that ClipDrop created based on this image. So let's create another one. Let's see, for example, this one that is here. This is not mine, it's from the system. And they give you different images based on this one. It's pretty nice, and you can download it on. You can download it. Also remove. Let's, for example, remove background here. That's it. Maybe not. Okay. I can go here. The other features: text remover. This is in the Pro version. Replace background, text to image, upscaler, image, cleanup, remove background, and relight. Relight is actually pretty nice. And let's go for the background removal to see how it works. Let's choose this image. See what it takes. It works pretty good. It took basically everything. And the table, the relight, you can change the light of the image. So let's try this one. You can, there are 3 lights, 1, 2, 3. You can add another one. So this one, you can move it, and you can see it changes the brightness. You also can add more or less. Of course, you can change the color, make it more warm or cold, and bigger. This the radius, and with the small touches, you have basically a new picture that you create. This was 5th product of the day in 2022. So yes, ClipDrop, you can use it. The free version has plenty features that you can do, but there's also Pro version if you want something more powerful. Bye. See you next time.